Maayong adlaw, Dalagetnons.
And we are the
Powerhouse Chika!
ug karon mga kachika Dalagetnons, mga higala. Welcome sa atuang ika-53rd episode mga higala.
Yes.
Yes, and welcome back, Don Osvaldo.
Yes, welcome Don Osvaldo in the house, no?
Yes, and we are actually in a new venue because we are going to have a very special guest.
True.
Yes.
Right? Yes, so mo po ni proud po ta nga ning ko ano po ta nagsuri-suri na po ta.
Yes.
Dari sa atong lungsod sa Dalagete.
Sakto yun.
And di na ta magpadugay-dugay pa.
Let's please help me welcome ang usa sa CEO no sa kining atong environment karon. Walay lain. The CEO of Inkspace, walay lain si John David Peñalosa. Maayong hapon,
Yes,
sir.
may hapon,
sa
sir.
Powerhouse, sir.
Welcome sa Powerhouse.
Thank you, Kaya.
Yes, so naaday mi karon sa Inkspace. Yes, din sa atong lungsod sa Dalagete. And of course, nindot kayo ni nga shop no. It's because na sila daghang product and services nga i-offer sa atong mga kaigsuunang Dalagetnons, right?
Yes.
And before that, sir, would you like to greet our viewers?
Alright. Hi day sa mga atong viewers no sa Powerhouse Chika.
Yes.
Alright, Powerhouse Chika. My name day is John David Peñalosa, the CEO and the owner, the founder of Inkspace Advertising. So, thank you kayo sa pag-anhin ninyo.
Of course,
Thank you.
it's
Thank
our
you.
honor.
It's our pleasure.
Yes, sir. And yes, sir. So let's start off. Nganong ing-ani nga business, sir? What is Inkspace and why did you choose this kind of business?
Right. Actually, it started with kuan kanang mura siya og advocation bitawag, no? Nga kanang ganahan ra ko mo. We started diri karon is we are in Giwano na ang your location nato. But before nag-start kid si Inkspace sa atbang sa DNHS, I'm not really sure if unsa poblasyon bagya po na diya.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yes.
Poblasyon.
And I just wanted to assist mga students when it comes to sa ilang mga printing needs bitaw.
Yes, project.
Yes, especially thesis sa mga kuan. So at bang taog high school, we started with 2 PCs and then 2 printers. So mo ra gid na ang pinaka kuan ni Inkspace, pinaka foundation nag-start ra ginana. And since I saw nga there is a potential bitaw with dagko nga sa example right now sa atong luyo makita ang large format printing. This is for tarpaulin and for stickers. And nakita na ko nga sa Dalagete wala kayo siya na murag na magnify bitaw nga pwede day siya for advertising. So I saw the potential, I invested, and then right now we are in a bigger space no compared before, bigger space na. And then at the same time no siya nag-start with an advocation nga kanang makatabang ta sa mga students. And right now, of course, nagka-evolve ang atong ang atong goal, which is to help na to provide jobs to fellow Dalagetnons.
Yes. And speaking of jobs, sir, pila man karon pila man kabuk imong trabahante?
As of now, we have 8 ka mga with graphic artists, mga assistants sa itong mga graphic artist ang kuan nato.
Bayabay na gino.
Di ka
Yes,
na
and we're still hiring, by the way.
mga
Hiring, yes.
Mga kachika mo Actually, namin tulod diri kay para mga apply ni Sir John Jay. Sir, madawat na may.
Sa ato na storya nagaman. Right.
That's true. So, karon sir, unsa man ang mga products and services that you're actually offering right now sa imong store?
Okay. Before, gagmay pa gyud ang atong ma-offer. Since gagmay nga printer, A4 lang ta nga printing. So, ang first is, muna, ang mug printing.
Yes.
Okay?
So, we have a sample.
Yeah. So, we have the mug printing. We also have, right? So, magic mug, naputay magic mug. If for those mga nakaibaw, natay magic mug po. This is an ordinary mug. And we have, karon, we expanded since we have the large format. So nanatay sticker. So maka-provide na tag sticker, especially mga business owners. So makakuha na tag sticker for your branding, which is very very important yun.
Which is
Yes.
kani.
Yun.
Yes.
Kani siya.
Speaker.
Yes.
Yeah, piece of
So
speaker.
currently, mo na siyang pinaka-kuan yun ni Inkspace, pinaka-mahog nga bestseller. Because naka-promote this is piso sticker. Ang size niya is 2x2. And then piso ra siya isa. Imagine, can you imagine piso ra siya isa? Pwede ko makita.
Yes, sure.
Right. Piso ra siya isa nga anything logo ninyo whatsoever. It comes with vinyl sticker and it comes with clear sticker pod. O ana, customized gani siya tanan. This is waterproof, alcohol proof, name it. All right? So, bulletproof.
Sige.
Yes, that's our pinaka number one priority, the quality of our works, no?
Yeah.
And yeah, aside from this, we also have the menu boards, mga Sintra boards, mga kasagaran yun menu.
Yes.
Right? So,
Itong mga
Right.
restaurants,
restaurants,
owners,
yes. One of our biggest clients here in Dalagete is Barco.
Barco.
Yes, Barco. And then, I think most of the businesses sa Seawall, 5 a.m., Kiosk Coffee, Zipper School. So, they are our, yes,
Partner.
yes, clients. So,
Clients.
dire gyud. Kaya, of course, kaning mga business owners, nangita gyud sila og quality. Yes.
Di, ang ganindot pa, sir, is instead nga mo ato sila syudad, mo ani sila diri doon ra kayo mamalit og stickers
Yes.
para silang businesses.
That's
Yes.
right. That's right.
That's so good.
One of the kuan po ni Inkspace, no, ang pinaka goal is to bring the quality sa city ibutang na diri sa Dalagete. Na ma-experience sa mga tao nga this is the city quality without kuan kanang
Going
break
to the city.
and yes, without breaking their bulsa po, their wallets, no?
Correct.
Kay
Stepping up.
yes, we are stepping up the advertising materials nga gikan sa city and then without breaking the wallets of our clients nga mahal kayo, no?
True.
Yes.
Okay, once you go to the city, you have to pay for your fare,
Yes.
napay kaon, pila pa ka oras dito.
Init pa ka
Ay,
ayo.
Exactly.
Ikaw nang, yapil pagid sa, ano, kwinta kining kahago.
Yes.
Yes. Sakto yun.
True.
Magkuwat og bus, no?
So blessed kay ta kay naa na gyud dinhi si
True.
Inkspace,
True.
and this is actually a one-stop shop for all the advertisements or everything that you need for your
Advertisement.
stores,
Yes.
right? So naa gyud dinhi tanan.
Yes. And aside Anna, we also have kuan po di ay. Before I forget, we also have plaques, no?
yes,
We
like
also
this
have
one.
trophies, medals, anything for any event. So we have our kana sample, no? This is ang atong plaque is this is 10 mm. So baga gyud ni siya. And we make sure gyud nga this is unsa man indestructible. No, and this is UV printed. Wala UV print diri sa Dalagete. Only here in Inkspace. Okay, so this is UV printed, makita ninyo. Baga siya 10 mm. We also have nipis-nipis lang, budget friendly 3 mm. And we have 5 mm pod. So, kana siya guys. Anything try lang ask, try lang inquire.
Mag-
And yeah, we make sure nga we
We
can
will cater your
yes,
needs.
Yes,
exactly.
yes. And for those who wanted to come and ask for any inquiries, where can they reach you, sir?
Alright, primarily, you can freely walk in diri sa ato ang office, no? Naata sa Giwanon, Dalagete, naata dapit, same building with Purple Yam. I think familiar gid mo ni Purple Yam. In between Rosie ba? Sakto ba na, no?
Yes. Yes,
sir.
Rosie and then Sea Oil Dalagete. So, in between ta nga building, makita gid ninyo, natay signage diya, makita rin ninyo ang atong office.
And then open mo, sir.
Yes, we are open Monday to Saturday, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, so that means normally, you know, ang office hours is
5 p.m.
5 p.m. ra.
Yes.
But si Inkspace ni-extend gud siya to cater gud ang katong mga nag-need gud
Oh,
up until 8 p.m. Yes.
Labi na katong mugawas sa trabaho,
Weekends
ika-5.
Yes, yes.
Pwede pa yun makaapas diri sa Inkspace.
Yes.
And then, sir, ang importante, ang contact numbers.
Yes.
Alright. Okay. Ang atong Sunday is 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Of course, tagaan po natong
Sunday.
leeway ang atong mga staff, employees to spend time with their families.
Exactly.
Uh-uh.
Yes, pero, ano? Ano, 7 days a week?
Yes,
Doon
even
sila
though
na
Sunday, nga open gihapon ta to cater kay most establishments manggod during Sunday kay closed. So open ra gyud si ing space.
Wow.
Sir, and then ang contact numbers?
Yes, ang contact number is ato lang ibutang sa screen anywhere asa ba ni? Babaw ubos. Alright. And by the way, kuan po di ay during Sunday open man ta. Katong mga customers and clients nato nga dili gyud maka-walk in because of their busy life or layo siya sa area, pwede ra gyud sila mo message sa atong FB page which is very kuan rapod, dali rapod nato maka-reply ang atong mga staff. That's Ink Space. All right? That's INK space SPACE. Ink Space.
Yes.
Right. And of course, atong mga design, if ever na natay contact, pwede ra nato ma-send sa email. That's print.inkspace@gmail.com.
Yes.
Flash kaya pa na sa screen, mga
Yes.
higala.
Okay.
Yes. Ay, ila inyong mga budget, mga higala, ang naman si sir mo istorya.
True.
Alright.
So,
yes.
with that, sir, any shout out na to or message na to sa mga
Well,
katauhan?
thank you, of course. Thank you so much, Powerhouse Chica, and for the Dalagete officials. Thank you so much, kids, for right now introducing the business sa atong mga fellow Dalagetnon. And one thing for those who are business owners, all right, you have to really prioritize your branding, your advertising materials because these are things nga most business owners neglected. Sa lang business nga,
Sure.
kuan lang,
Yes.
kanang if you are in a restaurant or in the food business, basta lami lang pagkaon mo, balik ka ng mga tao. But it's actually very important for the people to know that you existed. The business exists. Right? So, yeah, I think that's it. And
Shout out sa imong
Yes.
family, sa
Yeah,
imong wife
alright.
nga nag-get.
not yet. All right. Not yet. Shout out there for the family. Thank you so much for supporting for my partner, Teresa Pauline. Thank you for your support and for the family also, kay Alan and Mama Vilma. And thank you so much for the ever-ending support.
Ink Space doesn't not only cater businesses alone. Let
yes,
Ink
of course.
Space be a part of your occasions. Sa mga pamilya din ha, birthdays, gatherings, etc. Let them be a part of that. Right,
Yes.
sir? So, dili lang gid ni para sa businesses, no? Daghan gid kaayo.
Yes.
Yes.
Cater for all.
Yes.
Exactly.
Though
The package range.
Complete package.
Complete.
Though we specialize sa mga businesses, gid, no? But si Ink Space is maka-cater gid from newborn. That's mga
Bunyag.
bunyag, yes,
Yes,
tarpaulins,
stickers.
stickers,
Giveaways.
kasal, yes,
Botanan.
everything.
Good.
And mo-cater po may kandere ha, kanang lapida.
Dabo.
Grabe.
Yes. So, naa nagidinhitanan. So, again, please come and visit Ink Space. This is your shop for all of what you need for any occasions or businesses. Naaragid
Yes.
din ni sa atong lungsod sa Dalagete. Right,
Yes.
Cass? Shout out.
Hi yapon ko sa family and thank you so much everyone mga kachika for always watching, subscribing, and liking Powerhouse Chica.
Yes, and Dalagete Entertainment Hub.
Yes.
And shout out ko, Mama and Papa. Yes.
Don Osvaldo?
Hi.
Shout out sa ako ang mga amigog amiga ni ano. Padayon sa pagsuporta.
Mga Dalagetons, mga kachika, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and follow Dalagete Entertainment Hub, Municipality of Dalagete, and Ink Space. My name is Casper.
My name is Amy.
Kinin yung boss nga igala Don Osvaldo and we are the
Powerhouse Chica! Bye!